Okay, my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today I'm making some delicious, of course, easy and simple treats that the entire family will love. You will need a banana or two. I'm gonna use 2 bananas, 2 very large bananas. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how delicious these treats will be. This makes for a perfect sweet treat. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do this and how delicious it's gonna be. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. We're just gonna cut these bananas. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stand these up. This one is a little big, but it's okay. Just like this. Some peanut butter on top. Just like this. This is a simple and easy treat. So just wait for it. So I'm just gonna do this for all of them. Oops. And you just want to spread it on top, right? So let me do all of these, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with these bananas. Okay, my healthy people, so we have our bananas there, and we have some melted chocolate. I think you know where this is going, right? All right, so here we have it. So I'm just gonna just use my fork, pick this up, and then just dolce el chocolate all over this, just like that. See that? Just like that. All right, then I'm just gonna pick it back up very slowly, and then just add it. Oops, gotta be careful. Add it back, and I'm gonna do this for the rest of these, and then I'll be back. All right, so just make sure you get the chocolate all over it, and that's how we're gonna do the rest of them. I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, here we have our treats. So I am going to add these. I'm going to add a little bit of this salt on top. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. Don't worry about it. I was running out of chocolate on that one. No big deal. All right, so put this in the refrigerator 30 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, here you have it. Simple, easy, delicious snack that you can make for the entire family. Doesn't take long. You can have it ready as a snack, so when you're craving something sweet, you have this. And like I said, if you have an intolerance for chocolate, this is perfect for you. These are very sweet, and it makes for a nice sweet treat, you know. So it has the peanut butter, and we have our carob drops, and that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me, stay healthy.